Hey there, wildlife enthusiasts, and welcome to an eye-opening countdown where we're delving into the world of our planet's most endangered species. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery as we uncover the top 10 most endangered animals, shining a spotlight on their unique beauty, incredible resilience, and the urgent need for conservation action. But before we dive into this important discussion, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give us a big thumbs up if you're passionate about preserving our planet's biodiversity. Without further ado, let's shine a light on these endangered treasures that the next generation may never have the chance to see, except in the books of history. In the 10th spot, we have the Saola, with a population of 750. Known as the Asian unicorn due to its elusive nature, the Saola is a critically endangered species found in the Annamite range of Vietnam and Laos. With its striking appearance resembling an antelope, this enigmatic creature is remarkable for its rarity and mystique. Its unique set of curved horns and distinct facial markings set it apart as a true wonder of the natural world. However, illegal hunting and habitat destruction threaten this creature with extinction, robbing the world of one of its most captivating inhabitants. Coming in at number 9, we find the Sunda Island Tiger, with a population of 600. The Sunda Island Tiger, a subspecies of the critically endangered Sumatran tiger, is the smallest of all the tiger subspecies, weighing just 140 kilograms. These magnificent felines once roamed the lush jungles of Sumatra and Borneo with a regal presence. However, rampant deforestation and poaching for their prized pelts have driven them to the brink of extinction, which is tragedy as they hold deep significance in local folklore and mythology. Taking the 8th position, we have the North Atlantic right whales, numbering just 400 individuals. These gentle giants of the sea, with their massive size and distinctive callosities on their heads, evoke a sense of awe and wonder. Their slow, graceful movements belie the urgency of their plight as they face threats from ship strikes, entanglement in fishing gear, and habitat degradation. Historically, right whales were heavily targeted by whalers due to their docile nature, slow, surface-skimming feeding behaviors, tendency to stay close to the coast, and high blubber content, which made them float when killed and produced high yields of whale oil. Losing the North Atlantic right whale would not only be a loss for marine biodiversity, but also a blow to our understanding of these magnificent creatures and their vital role in ocean ecosystems. In 7th place, we encounter the Tooth-Billed Pigeon with a population of 225. Endemic to Samoa, the Tooth-Billed Pigeon, or Manumea, is a symbol of resilience and adaptation. Genetically linked to the dodo, its distinct behavior includes scooping water with its bill. With its unique hooked bill and iridescent plumage, this bird holds a special place in Samoan culture and folklore. However, habitat loss due to logging and agriculture, coupled with hunting pressure, threatens to erase this iconic species from the wild. Losing the Tooth-Billed Pigeon would not only be a loss for Samoa, but also a loss for the world, depriving us of a unique and irreplaceable part of our natural heritage. At number 6, we have the Red Fronted Macaws, with a population of 203. The vibrant, Red Fronted Macaws of South America are a sight to behold, with their brilliant plumage and raucous calls filling the canopy. These charismatic birds play a vital role in seed dispersal and forest regeneration, making them essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems. However, rampant deforestation and illegal capture for the pet trade have pushed them to the brink of extinction. The red-fronted macaw survival is vital for the cultural and ecological richness of the Amazon rainforest. In the 5th spot, we find the cross-river gorillas, totaling 165 individuals. Deep within the forests of West Africa, the cross-river gorilla ekes out a precarious existence. These gentle giants, with their expressive eyes and powerful presence, are our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. Yet, habitat fragmentation and poaching for bushmeat threaten to silence their forest home forever. The loss of the cross-river gorilla would not only be a loss for biodiversity, but also a loss for humanity, robbing us of a connection to our evolutionary past and the wonder of our shared ancestry. Coming in at number 4, we have the Kakapo, with a population of 130. Endemic to New Zealand, the Kakapo, or owl parrot, is a true testament to the wonders of evolution. This flightless bird, with its moss-green plumage and endearing personality, is a living relic of a bygone era. Historically, due to its inability to fly, strong scent and habit of freezing when threatened, the Kakapo was easy prey for the Maori and their dogs. Additionally, habitat destruction and introduced predators by the Europeans have pushed them to the brink of extinction. The loss of the Kakapo would be a terrible shame, as it represents one of the world's most unique and irreplaceable species. In the third position, we encounter the Amur Leopard, with only 70 individuals remaining. The elusive Amur Leopard, with its stunning spotted coat, roams the forests of the Russian Far East. Once revered as a symbol of power and grace, these majestic cats are now on the verge of disappearing forever. Poaching for their fur and habitat loss due to human encroachment threaten to erase them from the wild. Although leopards are the most widespread large cat, losing the Amur leopard would be a terrible loss for cultural heritage, as it represents one of the last remaining links to the wilderness of the Russian Far East. At number 2, we have the Vaquitas, the cutest and most endangered sea mammal with a population of just 9. In the murky waters of the Gulf of California, the vaquita, the world's smallest and most endangered cetacean, struggles to survive. With its delicate features and shy demeanor, this diminutive porpoise is a symbol of the fragility of marine ecosystems. Illegal fishing practices, particularly the use of gill nets to catch another critically endangered species, the totoaba fish, have decimated the vaquita population. The vaquita represents one of the most urgent and challenging battles for the preservation of our oceans. And finally, in the top spot, we find the White Rhino, with a population of only 2 individuals. The majestic white rhinoceros, once a symbol of Africa's savannas, now faces a grim reality with only 2 individuals left, both females. Poaching for their horns remains the primary threat, driving them to the edge of oblivion. Losing the white rhino seems imminent, and it is a stark reminder of our failure as the species put in this world to not only build, but to nurture and look after nature.